Hi Fashionistas, welcome to E-Fashion World. As we all know, we are already in the end of the first quarter of the year. By the end of this month of April, we will have done with the first quarter of the year, and we want to be the ones at E-Fashion World that will inspire you with the most fabulous, the most gorgeous, the most stylish styles when it comes to the best of African fashion. In this very video, as those styles are rolling by, they're all about white lace. You know, I've said it repeatedly on this platform that you cannot go wrong with white as a fashionista. Every other fabric, every other color might be neither here nor there, but with white, you are just good to go. With white, you will stand out wherever you find yourself. With white, you will exude this confidence, this poise, this finesse, this swag. The aura you are going to bring to the social gathering that you find yourself is going to be most definitely eccentric, and that is why, by popular demand, we are bringing back beautiful, gorgeous, terrific, eyes-pumping, breathtaking white lace styles for your delight. We want to inspire you with these lovely styles, and most definitely, by the time you finish watching all the styles in this very video, you will most definitely attest to the fact that our fashion is not only eccentric, our design is not only different, but our fashion designers are doing awesome and amazing job. Sit back, relax, get that maximum styles inspiration from these sparkling white lace styles we brought to you today from the beginning to the end, and most definitely you will be glad you did. We know most definitely every month, and anytime I say this, I'm saying this in respect to Nigeria. Every weekend, we most definitely going to have one thing or the other to celebrate, particularly wedding. And at wedding, these are some of the styles you do get to see in our wedding ceremony, and we want you to also see and also be inspired with the styles we brought to you today, and such that in your next outing you are going to come out like a queen that you are. The royalty that will come out with you will be awesome, will be out of this world. Enjoy this lovely video. Leave your thoughts below in the comment section. Share this video with family and friends for also even to spread the trend of African dresses and styles across the world. And give this video a thumbs up if you find the styles in it interesting. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not done that, and let your post notification be on for you to always get notified anytime we drop a video like this on this platform. My name is BJ, fashion enthusiast and a promoter of African print designs, and also an ambassador of African fashion. Wishing you a lovely, rewarding, fulfilling months of April. I will see you at the end of the video. Thank you. Thank you for watching that lovely video. Hope you enjoy what we've brought to you today. If you do, give this video a thumbs up and help us to share this video with family and friends for us to even spread the trend across the globe. And don't forget to leave your thoughts below in the comment section. My name is BJ. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.